In the last class previously we have already seen about the 4th standard maths time இல்லையா Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, calculate the number of days between the Christmas Day, Republic Day அது பார்த்தோம். Now use the calendar with patterns, page number 32. Use calendar interlinking patterns. Interlinking patterns. Okay. So in this page number 32. Here we learn how 60 is used in time. So I already solid 60 seconds in clock we can say 60 seconds 1 minute. Okay, then 60 minutes that is equal to 1 hour. Then 1 hour already I taught you, but once again I'll teach you this. 60 into 60, that gives you 3600 seconds. Then 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So this we already know. So this is the time schedule for the time patterns, interlinking patterns. That is 60 seconds, 1 minute, and 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. And 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So normally 12 hours is used. But in railways, airlines and armed forces and TV channels, 24 hours are used. This time you will be seeing the later on in higher classes. Now we learn the patterns in calendar. So in calendar la patterns eppadi pannalam, we'll see that. Here they are given the calendar. January 2020 they are given. So just listen. January 2020 calendar they are given. 6 and 6. So this don't want. So I'll write the calendar here. 7 Sunday, Monday. So here I will put the date. So January 1st starts on Wednesday. First we will write Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So January 1st starts on Wednesday. So I will write the number 3, 4 and 5, 6. You know how to write the calendar. So 30 days or 31 days we have to write, okay. After this I'll taught you how to see the patterns in this. 22, 23, 25. So till 31 only. So you can write till 31. Okay. So this is the January 2020 calendar. So first it starts on Wednesday. What they are telling is consider 2 into 2. 2 into 2 square. In the calendar, 2 into square panni, 2 into 2 square panni. What are the add the numbers in the following way? So in the add the numbers, how to add the numbers? See here, in the column எடுத்துக்கோங்க. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 இருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ இங்கேருந்து இந்த காலம் எடுத்துக்கலாம். எனி 2 into 2. அதாவது எந்த 2 நம்பர்ஸை ஆட் பண்ணாலும் you will get the same product. That is 5 and 13. இப்படி crossல பண்ணுங்களேன். 5 and 13. Okay, yeah. Then 6 and 12. Can you understand? So 5 plus 13. Then 6 plus 12. So 5 plus 13 is 18 and 6 plus 12 is 18. This is the 2 into 2 square. Okay, now 3 into 3 பார்க்கலாமா? 3 into 3 how we will see? So இதுலயே 3 into 3 பாருங்களேன். 9, 17 எந்த இது வேணா எடுத்துக்கலாம். 9, 17 and 25. So 3 numbers you have to take, children. 9, 17 and 25 and then 11, 17 and 23. So 3 numbers. So இப்படி தான் எடுக்கணும்ல. Any 3 numbers you can take. So consider 3 into 3 square. Consider 3 into 3 square. So 3 into 3 square பண்ணும்போது what's the number we are getting? So 9 plus 17 plus 25. How much we'll get it? 51. Okay. Then 3 இருக்கு இல்லையா? So here also. So 2 na only 2 எடுங்க. 3 na 3 இது எடுத்துக்கோங்க. 3 comes. 16 plus 17. 17 is the middle number, so it will come up all the numbers. 23. That is also the 51. And then next number is 10, you see. 10, 17 and 24. So any number you can take. So already 9 plus 17 plus 25 you have taken, and 16 plus 17 plus 20, 16 plus 17 plus 18. So that gives you 51. And then the next number is 23 plus 17 plus 11. 23 plus 17 plus 11. So இந்த மாதிரி எத்தனை வேணும்னாலும் நம்ம போடலாம். Okay. And then here also we can see like this. 10 plus 17 plus 24. That is equal to 51. So அதே மாதிரி 2 into 2 la 5 plus 6, 12 plus 36 plus 12 and 5 plus 13. So this is the 2 into 2 square and this is the 3 into 3 square. Okay, now you select any month like this. என்ன இது வேணா எடுத்துக்கோங்க. எடுத்துட்டு you find the 3 into 3 square and 2 into 2 square. So இப்போ consider the line 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this is it. So இதில் வந்து middle number add பண்ணாலும் சேமாக தான் வரும். So that's we will say this. Or we will say this number. Okay. Can you understand? So எப்படி வேணா நீங்கள் 2 into any monthக்கு போட்டாலும் the answer, that method will be the same. So one more is five, 6, 7. This is the next sum. Okay. I'll write the number question now. $31. Okay. So here what you have to do is select any month, you 3 into 3 and 2 into 2. Now we have finished saying that. Now we'll see the next line. So next you can take this one. Consider this line. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, yeah. Consider the line. Okay, take this. In the line எடுத்திருக்கோம் 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, and now sum of the middle number. Middle number என்ன இருக்குது இங்கே 5, 6, 7, 3 numbers 9, 10, 11. So middle number is 8. Middle number is 8. So you write mid number. Middle number is 8. So middle number 8. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்னா sum of 5 and 11. Sum of 5 and 11. So in the 5 in the 11 you add panna. How much you will get? 16 is double the middle number. Double the middle number. Middle number என்ன இருக்கு? Double the middle number is 2. Double 8 is the middle number. Double not 2 into 8, that is equal to 16. அதே மாதிரி sum of 6 and 10. Sum of 6 and 10. அதை பண்ணா என்ன வரும் நம்மளுக்கு? 16 only it will come. Is doubled. So அதை double பண்ணா 2 into 8, that is 16. Then sum of 7 and 9. Sum of 7 and 9. So sum of 7 and 9 எவ்வளோ வருது? That is also 16. That is, and double the middle number is 2 into 8. That is equal to 16. Okay. So like that. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் நீங்கள் anything you can take. Next இது எடுத்தால் கூட you see 12 and 18 middle number is 15 வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். இப்போ 12 18 ஆட் பண்ணுங்கள். 12 plus 18, what is it? 30. In the 12, in the 18, 12, 18, that gives you 30. So middle number 15, liya. Middle number 15. So 2 into 15, that is 15 into 2, 30. So in the number is same, this number is also same. Next you can take 13 and 17. Next 13 plus 17 is equal to 30. So 2 into middle number is 30. Okay. So any column you can take. 12 plus 18 is equal to 30. So 2 into middle number is 30. Then 14 plus 16. 14 plus 16 is equal to 30. 2 into 15 is 30. Okay, so you can take this also, but 22 is the middle number. In the column, 19 plus 25. How much is it? Middle number is 22. 19 plus 25. That is equal to 9 plus 5 is 14. 44 is coming. Middle number is 22. So 2 into 22, that is equal to 44. Next 20 plus 24. 20 plus 24, that is equal to 44. Middle number is 22. 22 into 2, that is equal to 44. Then 21 plus 23. 21 plus 23, 44. Middle number is 22, that is equal to 44. So எப்படி பண்ணாலும் எந்த calendar number, not only in January, any other calendar also you put, you can see this answer. So இந்த மாதிரி ஃபன்னாக கேம் விளையாடி பாருங்கள், that will be easy. So select any month in year, நீங்கள் February, March, April, May, anything you can put, you will get the answer correctly. Okay. Okay, now exercise number 4.1. Exercise 4.1, page number 34. Previous na eduthathu page number 33. Previous I have taken 33 ma. Okay, yeah. Okay, now find out the days between the manufacturing and expiry date and the medicine given below. Here they are given the medicine bottle. In this they are given the batch number also they are given. So your batch number and the medicine bottle la pathina batch number irukum, then வந்து MFG date, M of G date, manufacturing date இருக்கும், and then expiry date. Okay, so on the medicine bottle, medicine எல்லாத்துலயுமே இருக்கும், all the things. So in this they will give the picture like this. Find out the days. அவங்க அந்த டேஸும் எழுதி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. I know daysன்றதால நான் just writing the date and the everything. Find out the days between manufacturing date. So நம்ம calculate the days பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி manufacturing date, manufacturing and expiry date. எத்தனை நாள் ஆயிருக்கு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். of a medicine given below. So manufacturing date அவங்க எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா, M of G தான் manufacturing date. M of G is manufacturing date is 9/7/2013. We are given the date as 9/7/2013. And then expiry date. So இது எவ்வளோ டேஸ் இருக்குன்றதை நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னு சொல்கிறோம். Expiry date is given 8/7/2016. 8/7/2016. So manufacturing date வந்து எப்போ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, 9/7னாக்கா that is July. So July 2013 to இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, July 2016. Okay. So July வந்து how many days, 30 days or something. So Julyக்கு வந்து 31 days. So we can use for how many months, 31 days. So 31 minus 9 இல்லையா, so that is equal to 22 days. July, then August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31, November 30 days, December 31. Okay, yeah, like that till the next July we have to write how many days, in கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay, December, then January again 31, February, this is which year, 28 days. This is not a leap year, so we can put 2016 is a leap year, so that is a 29 days, because January started, so July angada varum, then March, that is 31 days, and then April 30 days, May 31, June 30 days, and in July they had given the date 8. நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், 8னாக்கா -1 போட்டால் we have to put 7 days. So we have to add all this. புரியுதா? இது வந்து ஆகஸ்ட், ஜூன், ஜூலை. ஸோ ஜூலையில் 31 days. ஸோ 31லேருந்து 8, 9ன்றதால 9 மைனஸ் பண்ணி ரிமைனிங் டேஸ் போடுங்க. ஆகஸ்ட் இஸ் 31 days, செப்டம்பர் 30, அக்டோபர் 31, நவம்பர் 30, டிசம்பர் 31, then January, February, March, April, May, June till July 2016. How many days in கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகேயா? 4, 5, 17, and here 19. Which year is it? So actually it will be coming for the 3 years. So July to July, 3 years you can use this medicine. Okay. You don't need to put the days at all. So 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. So July 2013 to 14, 14 to 15, 15 to 16. So you can use it for the 3 years. Okay, no need to put the days at all, you can put it. So 3 years, 12, from 2013 to 2016. Okay, so that's all children. So just see this and write the manufacturing date and the expiry date. And then sum number 2 is select a month in the calendar and you can create a pattern on your own. Okay children, thank you.